Spray her down, brush her out, get her together, and pose. Okay.
Come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Boo. Call my homegirl, tell your best friend you can slide to.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie Rashon. Today's video is brought to you by Outre. They've kind of assisted me another unit to review for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl got another new joint for you. So you already know we already tried the Black Girl Magic Rosé. Now we are trying the Black Girl Magic Riesling. I don't know how you say it, so don't butcher me, y'all. I'm not a wine person, okay? R-I-E Sling. Riesling? Tell me down below how you pronounce it, okay? However you say it, that's what I got, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and pour her up in my glass. I did chill her for a little bit, not too long though. I heard this one tastes a little bit better than the rosé, so we're gonna pour a little teeny bit, because I can already smell the wine smell, you know, the real wine smell. I can already smell it. I don't know, let's see. Ugh, she wine. I immediately got warm. But I will say this does taste a little bit better than the rosé to me. It has almost like a sweeter taste in my opinion. Let me sip slow with that joint. Ooh. Anyway, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight off the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Damn near every day. Asking me a question like job waste stay. Tell them college ball, where the chop call. Eat 20 grand, spend a grand at the bar. Just about his own. J's on my feet. I'm on that Patron, so get like me. 69 cutlass with the bucket seats. Beat in my trunk, bought it just for the freaks. Catch me in the hood, posted at the stove. Pistol in my lap on the phone, counting dough. If your girl chew, let her do a thing. Just like a mama, nice ass, nice brain. Everybody love me, I'm so fly. Nigga throw the deuces every time I ride by. I know you wonder why, I'm so cool. Don't ask me, just do what you do. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Verse number 2, do the damn thing. Cubes on my neck, pocket full of bent frames. When I'm in the mall, hoes just pause. I pop a few tags, give me that on the wall. Time to flip the work, make the block bump. Boys in the hood, call me Black Donald Trump. Dope boy magic, 7 days a week. #1 record, longest nitty on the beat. Who I think they like me, better yet I know. Lights, camera, action when I walk through the door. Niggas know my crew, we certified stars. Belly in the front, pop 35 cars. Bitches in the back, black beamer coops. Girls like the girls, time to recruit. If you got a problem, say it to my face. We can knuckle up anytime, any place. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Time to set it off, let these niggas know. Have you ever seen a Chevy with the butterfly door? I ride real slow, no need to speed. Gotta make sure you see the buttons on my feet. Feds on my trail, but they don't think I know. I keep my hands clean, cause I never touch dope. Every time I see them, look them in their eyes. Ask me how I know, it's me, surprise. Put it in the air, rep where you stay. Take a step back, blow the cushion they face. Sudden is a habit, let them see the carrots. I'ma make it rain, nigga, I ain't scared to share it. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down.
Young John, Nitty Strikes again.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Outre. It is a part of their Melted Hairline series. This is a brand new unit by the name of Chandell. I got her in the color 1B, and she does retail around that $42 price point, depending on the site that you get her from. $2 to $4 extra for the specialty colors that you see here on the back. This unit does come with standard cap construction for this hairline, so HD lace from ear to ear, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. The elastic band in this unit is attached, so if you want to wear it to make the unit glueless like I did, you can do that. I can feel that it'll probably start getting tight around here after about an hour or two of wear, so be mindful of that. If you have a big dome like me, the elastic band may not be the best option for you, okay? Just cut it out, or you know, don't wear it and you'll be just fine, okay? This is a high-tex fiber unit, so it is heat safe up to about 400 degrees. I did use heat on my unit, as you saw in my put down, to flatten this out around here because there was a lot of humpiness around the parting space. I also went in and brushed my curls out because the way they looked out the pack just wasn't really, it was a little bit too uniform for me, so I wanted to give it more of a lived-in natural look. Unfortunately, that lived-in natural look comes with the shedding, the tangling, and the frizziness, okay? So be mindful of what products you use on your hair if you plan on going in to brush out your curls to make them a little bit more, you know, to make them fuller looking. I did use my wax stick and my hairspray to get my flyaways together. Ooh, this thing is 30. Hold on, y'all, hold on. And then I use my Conair mashup to brush through my curls. This is a bristle brush and a paddle brush all in one. And I got it from Target. I had a lot of tangling towards the end here because this unit is curly and it's long. The texture of this unit is not as soft as her sister wig, which is Kamalia. That I feel like is a lot softer. This is giving me synthetic, okay? And it's also giving me Outre Lana, I think is what her name was. I did Lana on my channel about 2 years ago, and a lot of people liked that unit on me, but it didn't last long because the texture of the unit was just, it wasn't gonna last, okay? It was a synthetic texture. It was very like stringy, like, you know what I'm saying? Was that a 13x4? Or 13x6, but I will drop that video down below so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It looks exactly like this one in my opinion, like the exact same wig, but I would say Chandell is a little bit longer than Lana. Because the curl is mainly around, like, you know, the midsection to the end of the unit, the cap feels a little bit thinner than what you may think it is. So if you have your hair kind of like all over the place under this unit, you're gonna feel everything under this cap. If you have anything back there that you don't want to be seen, tuck it down, make it flat, okay? Make it flat. I'm sorry, y'all. That just kind of came out. That just kind of popped out there, kind of. Like I told you guys, I am rocking this unit glueless. That's how it's looking on my hairline. I did take my time to make sure my hairline was good the way that I wanted her. I did go in and pull some of the hair out the front because this does come with a natural frontal looking hairline. Like I told y'all with Kamalia, they're getting back to the frontal effect hairline, okay? I'm here for it, and that price point shows it, okay? Now, as far as I'm concerned, I do like Kamalia more than I like Chandell just because of the texture of this unit as well as the cons for this one. The shedding and the tangling is a lot more than I feel like Kamalia had, but they're both still long units with curls in them, so you know, there's that, okay? Oh y'all, I'm really sweating, but I'm about to pour me some more wine because I actually kind of like it, just a little bit. Okay, so what we thinking about this one, y'all? What are we thinking about this one? If you got somewhere you need to be and you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money on your look, this can definitely be an option for you. Just don't let nobody touch your hair. That's all, that's it, okay? Don't let nobody touch it. Spray her down, brush her out, get her together, and pose. You hear me? This is not one of them joints for play, okay? Kamalia may be for the play if you wrap her up. This one, definitely not. Don't do it, okay? But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Outre for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. If you want to check this unit out, I will put some direct links down below so you can do that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.